Run fast like you're stealing base.
Run, Tristan, run! Woo, good job, Mason.
Tristan, run. Run towards the fence. Do it again. Go now.
Nope.
Come on back, Tristan, hurry. She's tired.
Yeah, she must be tired.
Here, better cut.
Let me see. Whoa!
She goes and hides it behind stuff. That bomb. And then she'll go back and get it.
Come on, Tristan, I want to see you slide real fast because I'm fixing to turn this camera off. Come on. I want to see you slide.
Do it.
Run and slide. Do a fast one. Whoa! Come on, you could have done better than that.
Tired.
Mm-hmm. Oh, she got him.
Come on, Tristan, right back.
Oh, lost.
She'll let go.
Here they are. Oh, she's got him by the shorts. Yeah, she let go. She didn't want that. Oops, that's a lot. Watch out, Rooney, here comes TJ. Oh.
Get on the water slide, Tristan. She'll leave you alone.
Yeah, run and get on the water slide. She'll leave you alone.
Oh, she's on.
Oh, she got on there. Made a fibber out of us. Oh, crash! Oh, she's on the water slide, or on the slip and slide.
Tristan. Let go of her ears, Tristan.
She likes catching a hold of your shorts, doesn't she? Uh-oh. Buttercup! She won't leave me alone. Uh-huh. She's like, that doesn't bother me. Feels good. Oh, you're asking for it, huh?
Daddy, go down the side for Polly.
Oh, okay.
Go down the side for Polly.
She won't follow me.
Mason, you're not supposed to potty like right there. You need help, Mason? Are they stuck? There you go. You got them. All right. Well, we've seen it all.